Hi, it's the Awesome Vegan Gal here, and today I have products from Julie's Living Kitchen. These are Healthy Crunch kale chips, artisanal foods made in small batches. Here's a beautiful brochure where you could see some of what she does. And I want to thank her. I met her at Expo West in Anaheim this year. So she gave me some products to try. I have their cool cucumber and dill with a tang of lemon. And they're also, so you know, all her kale chips, she has a bunch of different flavors, are organic, gluten-free, peanut-free, vegan, kosher, non-GMO, and she calls them big chips, big crunch. They're also school-approved because they're peanut-free. And what they do is they hand massage them, the ingredients, on the kale chips, and they air dry them slowly to maintain the nutrients. They're also paleo-friendly. Let's see what else I can tell you. Made in small batches. And so she has different flavors. She has that one, and she also has, just so you know, she has one that's called Say Cheese, Hello Jalapeno, the Big Chipotle. So she's got lots of different ones, and they don't, no frying, no oven baking or cooking. So they're all completely raw. And she uses various ingredients that are good for you, like kale, which is high in vitamin A and C and K, and ginger and different other things. And you can see some of that information because I will have a link below to her website, so you can check out all she offers. She also gave me some samples of her kale crumbs. So what I guess the leftovers of the kale chips, instead of throwing them out, she made them into kale crumbs. So I also have the cool cucumber and the Say Cheese. So they come in resealable pouches. So what I'm going to do now is try some. Just so you know too, it comes in a 2.12 ounce, and the little kale crumbs come in a 0.53 ounce. And so just so you know, for a half a package, you know, there's a good amount of vitamin A, 70%, calcium 20%, iron 15%. And so that's really good. So in this one, there's kale, sunflower seeds, cucumber, lemon juice, extra virgin olive oil, nutritional yeast, coconut sugar, dill weed, and Himalayan salt. So those are the ingredients. I'm going to open up this bag. It's a pretty bag, by the way. I like that. And I can smell it already. It smells good. Just try to open that. And I'll show you what they look like, too. You can see how beautiful they are. Look at that. There's a kale chip. Look how beautiful. And I'm going to try some. It has a nice taste. This is mild. It's not too strong. I love cucumber and dill together, so that's a really nice combination. Really nice. And they have a nice little bit of a slight crunch to them. Not a lot, but I like them that way. I think it tastes really good. Yeah. And now if you like spicier ones, there are other varieties that are spicier. And then with the kale crumbs, which I'm not going to open, but the kale crumbs are nice because what you can do with them is sprinkle them on your salads, on your rice, anything really that you want a little more nutrition, because kale is very highly nutritious to the body. So I think that's great. Great product, tastes delicious, fantastic. So I hope you will definitely go out and get some, and you can see on her website where these products are available that you can purchase them. And I thank you for watching. It's the Awesome Vegan Gal.